Hello, this video explains decision for round 2 Capsim Capstone 2018 round 2. This sample video for practice only. Practice 4 rounds. Sometimes the professor requires 4 rounds and requires students to get as high result as possible in 4 rounds. So some friends require me to record this video, right? This video because we have 4 rounds as requested by professor in practice, so we do not add new product. Any product need more than 4 rounds to sell new product to sell well. So if the game has only 4 rounds, short-term strategy, we do not add new product. We just update 5 old product. That's enough. We update as a screen as you see. And this round 2, you need to check the career report as you see on the screen left hand side to make sure our product get the most competitive price, and also we need to adjust the each segment growth rate. And you see on the screen, each segment may have different growth growth rate for each round, so we need to check this every round. Check the career report segment by segment to adjust growth rate of each segment. Sometimes they are the same for all rounds. We just check, we don't have to adjust. Sometimes they change every round, depends on the professor settings. And also we need to career report to check the unit we sold from previous round and the inventory. So check the report to find growth rate, inventory, and also unit we sold from previous round, and use Excel file to calculate the sale forecast and also production as you see on the screen. Input that precise you can carefully. And also for production, we need to add more capacity, sell the surplus capacity, add new capacity, and sell the surplus, and increase automation. Do not increase automation too fast because higher automation needs longer time to update. So actually we increase automation for low end, but increase automation for high end performance and size slowly, 1 point every round. And traditionally you can increase faster, right? So as you see on the screen. And also round 2 we have to make decision for human resource management. So we put that 3040 hours because the second round still get low sale and low net profit. So we do not use 580, use 3040. Yeah, so now we come to the finance. Finance, we use 2 sources of investment. We use max to get enough cash for investment and also avoid emergency loans in case of selling not so well as our planned. Okay, so round 2, that's just enough. We sell nearly 170 million, get 23 million earning before tax and interest, and also a few million net profit. That's good enough for round 2. And we review the decision again before we save that officially. We need to do that to make sure our own decision are input correctly. So check the R&D, check the marketing, check the production carefully, right? As you see on the screen, we can get a good result. For human resources, okay, and we check the finance also important. We get 2 sources of investment to fund the R&D, new R&D, and also to keep enough cash to avoid the emergency loan. So with this strategy, we can own the 4 rounds easily with very good sale and net profit. Note that this sample strategy, right? So you see the result, we sell over 150 million, net profit 6.8 million, cumulative net profit of 16, stock price 43, so that's good enough. Very high result. We own the game right from round 1. Thank you, good luck and success.